Hello, how are we doing? It's Gavin again from Lucid Computer Solutions, and are we ready for another unboxing? I feel like doing an unboxing dance, but I'm not sure how well that would go down. Anyway, today, what are we unboxing? We are unboxing this, and this is a Unifi wireless access point. Unifi is produced by Ubiquiti. Really good, solid, reliable brand of product these are. Really good units. We use lots of these different models. This particular one is the AP AC Lite. So this is basically the cheapest one in the range, the least powerful one, but don't get me wrong, it's still amazingly good. This is going to be deployed in a really small office. A really small office. So this will be perfectly adequate. The coverage will be amazing for them. So that's where this is going in. So yeah, there's the AC Lite, there's the AC Pro, there's the AC Long Range. There's quite a few, but yeah, this is an AC Lite. So kind of the cheapest one in the range, but still an amazingly good product. So should we go ahead and unbox this? Now we've probably got the thumbnail for YouTube. So straightforward unboxing this one. No nasty sellotape for me to wrestle with. So opening the box, here's what we have, and we can see just under the packaging here is the wireless access point itself. So this is a small disc. It's got a mounting bracket on the back. It has our Ethernet port on just inside there. Now these can be powered via something called Power over Ethernet, and all that is, it means if you've got PoE in place, all you need is a network cable into this and it will power up if you're using that. If you have no clue what PoE is, that's perfectly okay as well. Don't worry about it, but I'm just pointing it out for the people that know about these things. Likewise, you can get a power supply with this. So if you don't have PoE, you can still use these, but you just use a power supply with it as well, basically. So yeah, nice little device. This is the AC Lite, so it's the smallest one in the range as well. You know, you can hopefully tell the size compared, the size of my hands really, isn't it? So yeah, it's a nice little unit. You get a nice little glow when these are powered up, which looks quite funky and cool. I really love them. They're great to be mounted up to the ceiling or up on the wall like so. That's how we have them here at the office. So yeah, fantastic. Back to the unboxing though. So what else do we have? We have the mounting plate. So if you were perhaps mounting this on the ceiling and it was maybe one of these false ceiling panels, something like that, you would use this bracket to help basically lock it in place, really give it some stability. And elsewhere, what do we have now? For our US viewers, if we have any, they'll think, oh, that plug looks perfectly fine, or European ones maybe even. The point is, it's not a UK plug, is it? So what I have to do whenever I order these, I have to separately get a UK plug for it, because in the box you get one of them, which is basically a real waste, because this just goes straight in the bin. And then yeah, we attach the UK plug. In the box we also have the power unit I was talking about. So all this is the power unit for it. So our UK kind of like cloverleaf power lead goes in there, obviously plugs in at the wall. Then on this side what we have is two network connections, one to give it power over Ethernet and one to connect back to the main network to give it an internet connection, basically. So you have one coming in from the internet and then one going out to the wireless unit to give it power through this little unit, which is really handy, isn't it? Like I said, you don't need a power over Ethernet network in place to use these. You can just use the power adapter which comes in the box with it. So that kind of completes our unboxing. We've just got the little guides and safety stuff, and we've got the screws for the mounting plate as well, which is handy, isn't it? So that concludes our unboxing of the Unifi Access Point Lite. Nice products. These are really top products. We use these all the time. I literally wouldn't use anything else for wireless. I just wouldn't, unless there was some really bizarre requirement. But these are the go-to products. They are absolutely fantastic. So if you've enjoyed this video, you know what to do for me. It's just down there. Smash the like button for me. Really helps grow our channel. Please do it. Can't stress that enough. Really helps. Likewise, do subscribe to the channel. We're releasing new content all the time, so please do subscribe, and please feel free to comment on the video. I try and get back to everybody personally as and when I have time. And yeah, all the links are below to connect with me on the likes of LinkedIn, Instagram and Twitter. So that's been me, Gavin from Lucid Computer Solutions. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. When I can click stop.